Okay, this will be an interesting one. Let's see how we can make this one come out. Wonder how big we're going to make it. We're going to make it 141.4. Okay. Contrasty. Actually, I'm just thinking I'm going to make this a negative image for a change. So we're just going to change things around. Going to cool the hue down quite a bit. And we're just going to enter this. So yeah, the contrast is no longer working because we've got brightness, and the copy density won't work when you've got RGB. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so now the next stage is, we haven't done it yet, so we have to reverse it. And the next stage is, we're just going to go here. This is what we normally do when we do negatives. So let's see how that goes. Okay, what's our original? It is wrapping paper, and it's got stars on it. Very nice. I'll have to hand this to Charity when I'm finished. It's very nice wrapping paper. So we're just putting this side down, and let's see how we go. Oops, didn't have full control of that. Let's see how that looks. Just heard a bit of a clack noise. I don't know what that was. Let's see how we go. Well, that looks interesting. I like the way the background is so demure. I'm wondering if we're gonna do another one and make it even better. Maybe it would be better if we enlarged it to 200 to make the stars more prominent. So these are our stars. Once again, we're going to do it again. See if we can make this even better. Okay, so that's 200%. Okay, let's see how that looks. Well, that doesn't look too good. It looks like there's hardly anything. So maybe we can work with this one. This looks nice, just like a diamond shape. So maybe we're not going to throw this on the recycle. We've got to somehow give it away to someone who might appreciate it. Oh, we've got some fixing problems. Look at that. Toner's coming off. Like bubbles. It's like bubbles of toner. It's really a nuisance. But you get that sometimes. I don't know why it happens. Every now and then I get bubbly sort of feel, especially amongst the black toner, the black part of the image. It's a real pain. There's all sorts of horrible things, annoying things that happen with this fucking machine sometimes. No, they're just photocopiers. They're fucking idiot things. But well, I wouldn't be doing it if it wasn't fun. But sometimes they're very difficult pieces of kit to fully understand and well, I'm far from fully understanding it. There's a long way to go before I can claim to be an expert on the topic. I'm certainly not technician material at this stage. Let's see how I go. See how this looks. I'm going to make this a 4-way mirror image. So let's see if this comes up a treat. Hopefully the bubbling won't be present on this one. But sometimes with the thick black toner, maybe the paper's got shit on it. I don't know. Sometimes the paper doesn't always, I don't know. Yeah, we forgot to switch it from negative to positive. But I'm actually thinking it's better having it as back to positive, and it's gone from black to purple. So I'm just wondering what side's going to be we're going to make our mirror image. This will be the centre because of that star there. So we're going to make this look, going to try and make this. So now we're doing negative positive again, and we're reversing it back to positive, if you guys know what I mean. So let's see how this goes. Out it comes. There's our second, and we're going to put it like this. I was thinking I should have put a background colour to these stars, these white ones, but we've got our white stars. I mean, if this was outer space, outer space doesn't just have colour, it has beautiful white stars. I mean, the sun that we all know so well is a star, and it's nice and bright. It's very bright. It's white. Sometimes it looks yellow when it's shining on things, but surely it's bright enough to be actually white. So we can imagine those white stars are actually stars, and that maybe the coloured ones are more like planets. And yes, that would be something interesting one day, is to learn about all this stuff, about planets and stars, the universe, black holes and shit like that. It's fascinating, and the photography from space is just so breathtaking. It's unbelievable. It's beautiful, and yeah, that'd be an interesting thing to study. Let's see how this goes. These are our mirrors. So we're just moving this one away. Let's see what we can do with that. And this one's these are curling, unfortunately. Sorry, folks. I'm trying to get these pieces in, but I keep nudging them. I'm trying to nudge them properly, but it's not easy to purposefully nudge something and expect it to line up, because nudging normally results in things being dislodged. But anyway, there's our stars. That looks quite nice now. That looks really nice. I think we can now call that one quits.